Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this BMW 2 Series Tourer. Absolutely lovely condition, and it is the very rare 7-seaters. So it's got 7 seats, third row of seats. It's got front park distance control, finished in beautiful metallic red, alloy wheels, colour coded wing mirrors, black pack round the windows. So third row seating, so easy to do as well. They'll fold down once I pull that one forward. There you go. All slides in and out as well from here. Absolutely lovely. Absolutely, paintwork is popping in this sun. It's got an electric rear tailgate. It's got rear park distance control. Rear seats. It has got to be valeted yet. It's just come in. 2 USBs there as well. Electric windows, electric mirrors. And it's fully loaded inside. So you've got automatic headlights. It's done 63,846 miles. We've got satellite navigation, reverse camera, air conditioning, different driving modes, Eco, Comfort, Sport. Got full map there, media pack, communication pack with Bluetooth, six-speed gearbox, more augs there. Really is in lovely condition. Quite a rare one. Being a 7-seater, at DJH we provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.